Okay, sorry for the background noise. I've got the dehumidifier going. As you can see in the clips, there is a ton of mildew and mold and hard water staining in the shower because the shower does not drain properly. They've had to come and fix it numerous times, so all the water just accumulates even with the dehumidifier and the vents going. It just doesn't evaporate all the water fast enough, and that's the result. So what I've done is I've actually gone out and bought some of this low splash bleach. It's kind of jellied, and you're supposed to be able to pour this on and it's supposed to stay in place. Unfortunately, that does not work like I had hoped, and it does not work on vertical applications. So I went ahead and used this, and you can see here I'm mixing it with the baking soda. So it's 1 part bleach, 2 parts baking soda. You make a paste, you slap it on, as you can see, and you let it sit for a couple hours. And I wanted to show you, this is kind of like the before. So all that little mildew spots and stuff where the water pools, because it doesn't drain down. So I left the hard water ring to show you as well. And that's weird because that's actually sloped and there's no water that ever sits at that water line. So for whatever reason, that's where the texture curves, and so the texturing's different from the wall to the floor, and that's the result, right? And that's the kind of mildew that just gets in these textured grooves, and you can't really scrub it out. I've got a regular nylon brush in here, I've got a scrub daddy, I've got a squeegee, and we just, I mean, look, the freaking tools, right? That's where the water pools, and that's what happens. So we've complained to management many times with no luck. They've even come and redone the floor, trying to get, you can see where they've patched it up, trying to raise up the floor to get it to drain, all that good stuff. So anyway, as you can see in the dirty shots that I'm showing you, I've got that area nice and clean, perfect, and even the silicone has been nice and bleached, and that's because of the paste. And that paste stays in place even on the vertical. So on your up and down, got it all nice and clean. And I wanted to show you, okay, this right here, yep, there we go, is clean, and that's what it looked like before, that brown color. Perfect examples right here in this corner on that floor there. So what it looked like before, after the bleach. So awesome job, I like it. And it took me only forever to figure that out. Don't use regular bleach, use this low splash bleach with the baking soda, and it'll do it in 2-3 hours. And you should be good to go. All right, well, hope you learned something, because I did. All right, on to the next.